Thank you. I now give the floor to Stichting Global Human Rights Defense.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. Once again, I'm in this council to urge member states and the UN bodies to act on the ongoing Uyghur genocide in China. It has been all the years since the High Commissioner assessment, but we haven't...
Could you please stop? We have a point of order from the delegation of China. Microphone, could you please start again? Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Vice President, China has reason to question the qualification of this NGO delegate. He is not a member of a so-called NGO, but rather a member of anti-China Turkish movement. If such a person is allowed to use the platform of Council to engage its activities of splitting China, and this practice is against the UN Charter's principles and purposes, and it is also in violation of the rules of procedure of the Council. I request the President to stop the statement of this NGO delegate, and we ask ask the Secretariat to verify correctly the identities of such NGO delegate, and promise not to have this kind of occurrence again in the future. Thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you. The NGOs in consultative status with the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations can accredit the persons of their choosing. Complaints about the conduct of an NGO should be addressed to the NGO Committee of ECOSOC. With that, I give the floor back to the Speaker. Please continue.
Thank you. Since then, many UN experts have repeatedly their concern, including CERT, CESCAR, and the CEDAW committee have also issued their concluding observation urging China to end the counter-terrorism policy legitimizing the repression. Just yesterday, UN special rapporteurs have expressed grave concern over the forced separation of the Uyghur children with expansion of the state-run boarding school and the erosion of their linguistic rights. Despite increasing number of UN documents, this Council has failed to meaningfully address accountable avenues. In the meantime, Uyghurs in diaspora watching our relatives disappear one by one, receiving news about the deaths and constantly facing reprisal. Just a few days ago, we learned about Professor Rahila Dawood life imprisonment. My own brother Khushtar Isa also sentenced to life. I lost my mother in the concentration camp. In recent visit to Urumqi, Xi Jinping repeated that counter-terrorism policy, a long-term plan.
Please stop. We have another point of order from China. Please continue. China.
Mr. Vice President, this NGO, this anti-China representative of NGO is abusing the platform of the Human Rights Council for attacking China's leadership, and this is a violation of the rules of procedure of the Council. China requests the Vice President to immediately stop the statement of this NGO delegate.
Thank you very much. I have been informed that the Speaker has been accredited in conformity with the established procedures. I give the floor back to the Speaker to complete his statement. Thank you.
Thank you. Xi Jinping repeated the counter-terrorism policy long-term plan. Starting this repression will not end anytime soon. We must remember to uphold the promise of never again. Thank you.